Well, to other news now, and the High Court in Kisumu has dismissed a petition challenging the governorship of Governor Anyang Nyong'o following his victory on the 8th of August general election. Jackton Ranguma, the immediate former governor of the Lakeside County of Kisumu, moved to court in September of 2017 to challenge the victory of Professor Anyang Nyong'o on grounds that the county returning officer mismanaged the election and thus the election outcome was skewed. Ranguma was snapped the 5 million shilling cost for the petition, IBC and Professor Nyong'o getting 2.5 million shillings each. Kevin Ogutu with that report.
It was a scramble to the High Court in Kisumu. The first of 29 petitions challenging the elections of county bosses was being determined. The opening statement by Justice David Majanja, the High Court judge presiding over the gubernatorial election petition, setting the pace for what was to be expected.
Although the petitioner did not set out the declared results of the election in his petition contrary to Rule 8 of the Election, Parliamentary and County Election Petition Rules of 2017, they were as follows. Peter Anyang Nyong'o, 227,127. Jackton Ranguma, 156,963. Christine R.A. Atieno, 2,383. Peter Charles Owino Molo, 1,955. And David Otieno Wayera, 821.
As supporters and lawyers of Governor Anyang Nyong'o and Jack Ranguma waited. And then came the pronouncement.
1, the petition is dismissed. 2, the respondents are awarded costs on the following terms. The instruction fees for the first and second respondents are capped at 2.5 million. For the third respondent, 2.5 million. The costs shall be taxed and the total cost certified by the Deputy Registrar. The certified cost shall be paid out of the security deposit on a pro rata basis, and a certificate of this determination shall issue accordingly to the IBC and the Speaker of the Senate.
Justice Majanja took time to elaborate why the petition was dismissed.
At the end of the day, the failure to record the results of 5 polling stations within Kisumu constituency on Form 37B and 37C would not in any way affect the results, as the petitioner was the winner of the election, even assuming that the petitioner would have garnered all the votes in those stations. And applying the provisions of Section 83 of the Act, I find that these irregularities would not have affected the ultimate result, given the margin of votes and the fact that the irregularity occurred in only 5 out of over 1,000 polling stations within the county.
There was celebration from Nyong'o supporters and an address by their leaders later at Kisumu Sports Ground. Kevin Ogutu, KTN News.